Alright guys, doing an unboxing. Because of the larger purchase I made, they threw me in a bunch of extras. So let's see what I got here, guys. Alright, so first off, envelope, we got notes here. Republika Bavaria de Venezuela. So this is Venezuela money. Apparently the Boliviana Republica. So I got 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400. So this was 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. How old are these? (2015), 2009 on these guys, 2012. So it's all fairly recent, but hey, money's money. Then I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Awesomeness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I got another 18 here. So I got $618, guys. If I ever go on vacation, I could spend it, or it's already kind of a keepsake. Oh, lots of stamps. I'll have to look these up on eBay later. Awesomeness. Guys, I got some gold light beer labels. I got a whole bunch of these. I wonder if there's real gold in the label. This is cool, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, guys. Awesomeness. I got a check here for $194.50. Paid to the order of J.H. Wright, issued by somewhere. This is kind of cool. Obviously, it's already been paid and whatnot. So I got a note here. It's got a seal on it. Paid. So that's already been paid out, but that's still a cool collector's item. Here's another one that don't look like it's been paid. So here's a good note, guys. It's signed, but I don't see it's ever been paid. I could check on it. And $25. So, hey. James A. Flint. I now have a new lawyer I can call if I need a free consultation. I could try that number on there. Is there a number? No, I could look them up online, though. That's kind of cool. $20.75. Another National Bank note. I wonder if these are... Another one for $1.04 from the Sinbursate Bank. December 1942. Ooh, that's a collector's. Alright, that's some cool stuff, guys. What else did I get? I got some Blackberry. Daisy. Broom. Antique advertising. All very cool, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the envelope. My dad won't answer me right now. But I might have to have him say keep this while I go on a little vacation here soon to get my head right. But I'm doing a lot better at the moment. Should be broadcasting that. But see what we got here, guys. We got more gold light beer. Awesomeness. I don't know if there's real gold in this or what, but it is awesome. I wonder how old old these are. I'm trying to look for a date. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Awesomeness. We have some more Venezuelan money. 100. Hey, we got a big one. 1,000. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, or 850. All in these bills. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I got 13 twos. So awesomeness. So 850, 876. $876. That was cool. Another banknote, very, very old. Awesomeness. $1.97. I'm trying to look at the age. Oh, 1943. This is real cool stuff. This one is 1961. Very cool. Another banknote, guys. Another banknote. And another blackberry and another daisy. I'll have to organize all this, get all the money together, all the banknotes, and get it properly put away. But awesomeness, guys. I got over $2,000 in Venezuelan money. That's probably like $20 alone, I bet. Oh, another one. Lots more stamps again, guys. Should have been organized this already, but no biggie. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, got 9 there. 100, another 1,000, another 100, another 100. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,600, 17, 18, 19, or 1850. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 20. So I got close to 5,000 in Venezuelan money, guys. That's good stuff. Start organizing this stuff because all this stuff is solid money. It's all collectible. This is awesome, guys. It has nowhere but to go up right now. So. Alright, let's separate these into their piles properly. So, I just know the currency in Mexico. I'm very familiar with Mexico. Awesome place to go. From what I heard, I might check it out sometime, but close to the border, that's where I heard it's the safest. And, you know, it's just a dream, guys. Maybe it happens, maybe not. If God's willing, it'll happen. Alright guys, here's all my cash. Probably count that out one last time, see how much I got. This is cool. Not super vintage, but pretty cool notes to hang on to, collector's items. Oh, got more to cash, or more to count out. A ton more stamps, guys. Very, very cool. So, I told him if he hooks me up, I'm definitely gonna hook him back up. So far, guys, I think I could probably sell a lot of this and recoup so much of my money and Heck, if I want to go on a vacation, I got spending money right now at least. So, 1, 2. Alright, I already counted these out before, but oh, I'm putting little wrinkles in them. They're mint. So, I need to make sure I keep them mint. Alright, got all these. Couple more notes. Got advertising. So I'm going to separate this into categories for resale, guys. Teach you a little bit about the game here. So what you're going to do is look up, see what any of the value of these notes are. So each one could sell individually. All nice rare mint notes. Probably not rare, but you know, uncommon. Absolutely mint condition. So 1,000, and where'd the yellow ones go? All right. Look at that, guys. Huge old wad of insulation money. Awesomeness. I'll see what the stock exchange rate on that is eventually. Tons of old antique banknotes. That's awesomeness. They're all very old. And advertising. So there we go. We got more advertising. U.S. Army almost joined years back. Cool. Comic book. Blue Beetle. I like the Blue Beetle, but I don't want to read it because it's mint, guys. But this is awesomeness. Heroes for Hires. Civil War. Awesomeness. 100 bullets. So this is just like being a kid again, guys. Daredevil. I bet that's worth a couple bucks. Connor Hawk. Unleashed. Oh wow, guys, these are awesome. I love living like a kid because it just helps our faith grow. I'm gonna have to figure out how to read these very carefully, maybe with pliers or something. But the new Fantastic Four. Wonder Woman. Oh, these got to be worth some money, guys. How old are these? 2007? Well, they're not super old, but I bet they're all worth a couple bucks. But it ain't about that, guys. It's about having a cool keepsake. So, we got this one, 52 week. And we have this. Firestorm. I like Firestorm. I know him from DC. And Superman. So this is cool, guys. Superman, $2.99. It's got to be newer at that price. I remember paying less than $1 for comics, guys. How about you? Alright, so I guess those are the bonuses or whatnot. Here's the goods. So, I got a whole wad full of Venezuelan money. Almost like taking a vacation when you buy these things, seeing what you find. Oh, we got a whole nother envelope, guys. I started putting all this away. Now there's another envelope. Well, I guess you get one envelope with each one. Alright. More stamps. More advertising, lots of the golds. Quite a bit of gold. All right, more Venezuela money. All right, put that in there. Oh, different designs. I'm curious how old this is. Año de 2017. I should be wearing my reading glasses right now, guys. But that's alright. It's good for my eye to practice that. Oh, forgot. There was another 100. 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1750, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it's another 20, so a little shy of another 2 grand. That's awesomeness, guys. Advertising, I got gold. Lots of things to work with. Alright, put all this in here. There you go, all kinds of money now. Oh, another $1,000 bill. Probably getting close to 10 G's in Venezuela money right there. I don't know what that equates to here in Ohio, but goodness gracious. I looked it up. So, lots of gold and silver, guys. Louisiana, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 gold or 5 gold coins, 10 silver. Awesomeness. I don't know if they're silver encased or what. I'll have to Google that up later, but awesomeness. Lots of rare pennies. I'm not going to count these out. I got pennies to go through already, but I'll take that. Baseball cards. We have the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Big baseball. Baseball. Desert Storm. Pocahontas. Baseball. Can't wake up. I didn't mean to say that. Guys, so more baseball cards, Desert Storm. Yeah, I didn't say that, guys. That was weird. I'll just make myself look a little paranoid, but I'm just making out loud, guys. Got Pokemon cards. I have some of them that should be out of my dad's. Alright. So, there's a Christ coin in here. Cool, bronze. There's some silver in here. I see bronze, silver, maybe a gold coin. Cool, guys. More coins to go through. Desert Storm. Baseball. Alright, these are probably going to be the rare coins. 1943s. Awesomeness. Oh, blocking the camera. 1943s, guys. I wasn't blocking the camera. More silver. Alright, got a silver bust token from the 1940s. I hope it's silver, but whatever it is. 1974 S proof. Don't know what that's worth, but hey, I can Google it. 1935 S proof, or 1973 S proof. A bust token, 1940s. I don't know what those are worth, but if it stayed like that, it's probably worth some money. A what looks almost like gold transit token. Hopefully that's gold. I'll have to learn how to test. And a bust token for the 1940. 1973 S proof. This looks like mint condition, guys. Coolness. Let's see what else we got going here. I have no clue. Fantasy role-playing game, I imagine. Alright, so magic cards, I'm pretty familiar with them. I don't know what value they have, but can easily search them. And Anastasia, guys. So, it's a nice little start here, guys. So, ones I'm going to put in here. So you can just keep them. Vintage Pogs, very cool. I used to play that game as a kid. And let's see what we got here. More of the Desert Storms. More of whatever this game is. Uh-oh. Alright. There we go. And baseball. More baseball. Baseball's good. People will buy baseball. Baseball, awesomeness. All these things are mint. Nice collector's items, guys. I got so many cards to go through right now. More what looks like gold and silver. Got here 1973 S done. Another token, transit token, a bus token, we have 1943 World War II pennies. Ohio Valley, and 1973 S proof. More cards. Let's see what I got here, guys. Pokemon, more Magic cards, Desert Force, a 1974 S-Proof, more Anastasia, and Pocahontas, guys. Oh, that's got to be something cool. I have to touch it with my hands. I don't want to get greasy fingerprints on it. Okay, we got some, looks like almost silver caps for buttermilk. I don't know what those are worth, but pretty cool, guys. I'll show you here. Coolness. So, whoa. We got more pennies. A mixed amount of change. I'm pretty sure that's silver right there. It is. There's another Christ bronze. Good things, guys. Lots more change here. $19.40 bus token. Alright, so we got a lot to go through, guys. So, I want to put these comics up somewhere safe, because that's all the comics, obviously. Put these banknotes away, and put the advertisement with the banknotes, I don't have much of that. Tons of banknotes. A little bit of advertising vintage. It's all nice stuff. Thought that should be easy to resell. Alright, lots more of these. I'm guessing everyone's probably real beef. Or real gold, I'm sorry. And, you know, sometimes, guys, you just gotta make an apology out loud. I'm sorry for anybody I've beefed with over the years. I really am. But that's not important. I have to work through my stuff later, guys. Right now we're on a hunt for rare coins, silver, bronze. Alright. We have a token. We have a 1940s bus token. 1940s bus token. Bus token 1940s. I got some World War II pennies. 1973 S proof. 1973 S proof. 1974 S proof. Oh, I gotta put that one back up. There we go. Alright. Hogs. Really good. There we go, guys. Lots more cards. We have Anastasia, Hunchback of Notre Dame, some more Pokemon, some of these blue cards, whatever they are, Magic. Have to go through them, see if anything rare is there. Probably just a bunch of uncommons, but I'll take it. Baseball. Baseball, baseball, baseball. Some more bottle caps. We got some baseball cards, lots of vintage baseball cards, guys. That's good. I know a guy not too far from here that'll probably buy the whole collection off me. So. Desert Storm, Pocahontas. Coins. There's a lot more silver, bronze, gold, more pennies. Who knows what all's mixed in there, but nice little set of coins. Those are probably worth a few bucks. Baseball, lots more baseball. Baseball. Bus token. There we go. More pogs. This guy. More World War II pennies. Lots of coins. Alright, lots more coins. Lots of things to go through here. I'm not sure if these are gold, bronze, silver, but there we go. Lots more coins. More coins. More cards. Got football this time. Reggie White. Hey, these are good cards. Cortez Kennedy. Not sure who that is. Never know what you find in here. Herman Moore, guys. There's a keeper for me. Herman Moore. Right, we have an Ohio coin, 2002. All right, minted with serial numbers and all, guys. Got that now. And we have more coinage. So that's all right, guys. We have lots of things here. Not a bad score, guys. And they really packed that in there nicely. I feel like stacking these cards in here are going to take up most of the box by itself. Lots of vintage cards to go through, guys. I'm probably going to start on the coins and just work my way through. Alright guys, I have almost a full box of cards in one now. Oh, camera dropped. Still recording, good stuff. So I still have a whole box of cards right now. Awesomeness. Oh, well, I'm going to leave these out with coins. More cards. My bad, guys. I keep moving the camera here. I got a tripod, just misplaced it somewhere. Up, see what these are worth. Just some exchange rate. Got some gold. Got plenty of banknotes. Stamps. Sorry to block the camera, guys. Got a couple stamps. I think I had a couple more laying around here. There they are. And awesomeness. So I see the mistakes. Quit making that. So there we go, guys. Awesomeness. Alright guys, see you next time.